Good morning, grade 5. Today we will study science. Please open your book, page 35. The book, page 35, Unit 3, Lesson 3. Importance of gases. Importance of gases. أهمية الغازات. Okay. So number 1, we will talk about oxygen. Repeat after me. Oxygen. 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 Okay. So, it is the most important gas all living organisms breathe and oxygen. All living organisms, جميع الكائنات الحية, breathe. What's the meaning of the word breathe? Breathe. يتنفس. Breathe and oxygen. So, number 1, all the living organisms breathe and oxygen. Okay. Also, look here. We use oxygen in many other ways. We use oxygen in many other ways. يستخدم في مجالات أخرى. Okay. Look at picture number 1. Animals breathe in oxygen. Animals breathe in oxygen. Okay. Picture 2. Plants breathe in oxygen at night. Plants breathe in oxygen at night. What's the meaning of plants? نباتات. Look at picture number 3. People breathe in oxygen. People breathe in oxygen. So, number 1, all the living organisms breathe in oxygen. Animals breathe in oxygen. Plants breathe in oxygen. People breathe in oxygen. Okay, now look here. We use oxygen in many other ways. We use oxygen in many other ways. Look at this picture. Yes. People use oxygen in welding to repair cars. People use oxygen and welding to repair cars. What's the meaning of the word welding? Welding. Who can tell me what's the meaning of the word? Look at the picture, you can get the meaning. Yes. Welding, اللحام. اللحام. People use oxygen and welding يستخدم في اللحام to repair cars, لإصلاح السيارات. Okay. Now look at this picture. People use oxygen when they dive. People use oxygen when they dive. What's the meaning of the word dive? الغوص. يغوص. People use oxygen when they dive. يستخدمون الأكسجين عند الغوص. So let's remember the most important words here we have studied. Yes, repeat after me. Oxygen. Oxygen. Okay, who can read this word? Great. Dive. 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 يغوص. Who can read? Breathe. Breathe. And here, welding. Welding. اللحام. Okay. Now we will talk about another gas. We will talk about nitrogen. We will talk about nitrogen. Nitrogen. Repeat after me. Nitrogen. Yes. Nitrogen is used in making fertilizers, which make the soil stronger for cultivation. Look at the pictures and try to understand. Nitrogen used in making fertilizers. Fertilizers, الأسمدة. Fertilizers, الأسمدة. So again, nitrogen is used in making fertilizers. Fertilizers الأسمدة, which make the soil التربة, stronger for cultivation. What's the meaning of cultivation? Cultivation الزراعة. So nitrogen is used in making fertilizers. يستخدم في صناعة الأسمدة, which make the soil, تجعل التربة stronger, أقوى for cultivation للزراعة. Okay, now open page 36. In page 36, we have another gas. We have carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Repeat after me. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Okay. Carbon dioxide, it's used in extinguishers. What's the meaning of the word extinguishers? Okay, we call it fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. Look at the picture. This is the fire extinguisher. Okay, carbon dioxide is a toxic gas. What's the meaning of toxic? So extinguisher, طفاية الحريق. Extinguisher يعني طفاية الحريق. Okay, also we have the word toxic. Repeat after me. Toxic. 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 ثاني أكسيد الكربون غاز سام. So the words again. Repeat after me. Carbon dioxide, extinguisher, طفاية الحريق, toxic, SAM. So carbon dioxide is used in fire extinguisher. Carbon dioxide is a toxic gas. Okay. Here we have another gas. We have water vapor. Water vapor. What's the meaning of water vapor? Water vapor. Yes, repeat. Water vapor. بخار الماء. Water vapor. بخار الماء. So we use water vapor. Water vapor was used in all the steam engines. In all the steam engines. في المحركات البخارية. Steam engines. المحركات البخارية القديمة. Like all the trains. All ships. السفن والقطارات القديمة. All the trains, old ships, all of them have all the steam engines. Okay. So now, choose the correct answer. All living organisms breathe in nitrogen and oxygen and carbon dioxide. Who can tell me the correct answer? Yes, all living organisms breathe in oxygen. Okay. Number two, we use space when we dive. We use oxygen when we dive, carbon dioxide, or nitrogen. What's the meaning of dive? Excellent, yeah, both. Of course, we use oxygen when we dive. Question number three, space is used in fire extinguishers. Nitrogen, carbon dioxide, or oxygen. Now, do you remember? Yes, very good. Carbon dioxide is the correct answer. Open page 37, please. Question number four. Space was used in all the steam engines. Water vapor, carbon dioxide, or oxygen? Yes, water vapor. Question number five. We use oxygen to make fertilizers, put out fires, or repair cars. You remember? We said that we use oxygen in welding. So to repair cars, we use oxygen, of course, to repair cars.